Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and I just want to make a quick video just to show you how you guys can actually still learn how to trade somewhat live on the weekends. So basically, with the platform TD Ameritrade, the Thinkorswim app, there's this program that they have available called OnDemand. And with this, it is actually all the tickers in the past. I'm not sure how long it goes back to, but you can go back, so long and replay the stocks for that day and actually simulate, how you would trade. So I'm gonna run you through this. I'll probably just take, just a quick trade just to give you an example. And it's something that you guys can, practice on the weekends or after the stock market is closed to get better and execute your trades to maintain a profit. So open up Thinkorswim, come up here in this corner, and right here it says On Demand. Click on that. This will pop up. So it'll start you off with $100,000. Now use what would be realistic to you, because if you're not using something that is realistic to how you would normally trade, this won't be no benefit at all. So click that box, and let's see. Okay, so it roughly starts you off, I think, like the thing said, 100 grand. Click up here. Oh. On my real account, I have everything, blocked out, so it's obviously blocked out over here as well. So let me just go back to charts, and let's just start up here. We'll start with the date. We'll just go back to the 7th. I think there's a couple days, I think 2 days, a 2-day gap. So click on the 7th, and let's go to market opening. So add in whatever time you want to go into. We'll put 29. Sorry. And I'm putting 8:29 in because I'm actually Central Standard Time, and 8:30 is when the market opens for me. So click there, and let's see. Let's go to, we'll load up PBR. Okay, there, it just caught up. So here we are, PBR. Open up my charts a little bit more. So market's about ready to open right here, and I'm just going to make a quick trade off the 1-minute chart just to give you guys a demonstration. I'm going to come right here, and what would be realistic for me is 1,000 shares. So market just opened right here. RSI is 34. MACD's showing a downward trend. Over here on 5-minute chart, still downward trend. I'll watch this for a moment, and just for the sake of this video, I'll just, if something doesn't change quickly, and just keep this video short, I'll just make a buy and sell, take a loss, just show you guys an execution on this platform. So here we are. I'm just going to make a buy right here. So this will come up. Make sure the amount of shares are in that I want to actually buy. And at whatever price I want to buy, you can actually change this right here, to whatever you want. Just to fill it quickly right here, I'll do that. What kind of order? I highly don't recommend market orders. I put in just a limit order, basically just saying, that's the max price that I want to pay for each share. Let's see, so this is actually going up a little. Well, it's fluctuating so quickly. I'm just going to keep it. Just going to lock in right there and execute this order. This is just a review, just stating what you're about ready to buy. And so, yeah, it actually gives you 100 grand or whatever to start out at. And I'm going to click submit. And, you know, it bought 1,000 of these fake shares. And right here, it just says my average price. Let's see, I'm waiting for it to just change. Okay, so right there, it just showed, you know, with the fluctuation, you know, as a $10 loss at that second. And I'm just going to decide to sell it. Make sure that it's the right amount that you want to sell, right price, and confirm. Double check it. Confirm. Got my order in, and it executed. So there you go. Took that, you know, fake $10 loss right there, and that's how you use this this little training program called OnDemand with Thinkorswim. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to me, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.